Welcome to Kids Luna SM. Ayan. Let's go mga boss at start of Kids Luna. Okay kids, sabalan po natin sila Lanchan. Mag-parade po sa loob ng ating store. Okay kids, say hi to Lana. Hi! And Lana Chang is a 5-year-old squirrel. She's from Japan. Her favorite food is strawberries. Her favorite color is color pink. Okay guys, say hi to Lana. Okay, so I invited to join in our sports activity for today. So lahat po ng kids, mauna na po sa ating event area. Lahat po ng kids are invited. So sa mga guardians po, invite po natin ang ating mga kids. So kids from purple area, sino po gusto mag-join? Ayan. Yes. Excuse me po, padanin po natin si Lana Chan. Yes, excuse me po, padaan po. Okay, asa na po yung mga kids po natin? Punta na lang po dito sa my event area. Lahat po ng kids, dito po tayo sa harap. Mag-count po ako ng 10 seconds. Kailangan po lahat po ng kids is nasa ating event area na po. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wala na po bang mag-join? Okay, excuse po po sa ating mga guardians. Outside muna po tayo ng event area. Thank you po. Later po, bibigyan namin kayo ng time na magpa-picture with Lana Chan after po ng ating event. Okay, wala na po kayo mag-join. Okay, guys, ang sideboard. Ang sideboard, very good. Okay, magpapakilala mo na po ang event team. Yes, sir, my name is Ate Ann and my partner is Ate Iya and Ate Chiki. And of course, the star of Kidzuna. Let's all welcome Lana Chan! Say hi to Lana! Hi! Ilang taon na po si Lana Chan? Ilang taon? 5? Very good! So kids, sino po nagda-dance dito? Taas ang kamay. Okay, so meron po tayong warm-up dance. So sasabayan nyo lang po kami ng ating nila Lana Chan and the event team. So before tayo mag-start, meron muna po tayong dance tutorial. Okay kids? Ready? Gayahin niyo po kami. So first step natin is march. March, march, march. Very good. Next po is shake your hand. Yeah. Then shake your shoulder. Very good. Then next, shake your tummy. Then next po is shake your... Okay, then next kids is lalagyan pa na po. Ayan. Forward, forward, backward, forward, and backward. Okay, next po is then jump. Habang sinishake po yung hands, up and down, up and down. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? Yes, okay, good. Magda-dance na po tayo together with music. Okay? Ate Chigi, music please. Okay, kids, get ready po. Okay, Lala Chan, very excited po si Lala Chan mag-dance. Okay, kids, march. Wait lang natin, ayaw daw. Okay, kids, march! Shoulder. Okay, shake your tummy. Up. Forward. And jump. marami na po. Okay, kids, listen. Okay, so ito po ang ating tago board. Gagawin nyo na kids, so meron tayo dito red ribbon and the white marker. Gagawin nyo lang po, is hihilahin nyo yung rope. Then kailangan mag-stay sa inyong group for 15 seconds. Okay? Pag nag-stay po sa inyo, it means sa inyo po mapupunta ang points. Okay? Natindan po? At pag nabahit ni Ate Chiki, then nag-stay po sa kanya for 15 seconds, kay Ate Chiki mapupunta ang 1 point. Okay, guys, natindihan po? Okay, meron po tayong safety reminders. Bago po tayo mag-proceed sa ating game. Ano po yung lalagyan? No? No pushing? No? No running? No? Hold the rope firmly. And just enjoy the game. Okay, guys? Ready na po ba? Okay, guys, stand up po tayo lahat. And group yourselves into 13. Okay, kids, 13 po. Arms forward. Arms forward po tayo. Dito po yung iba. So, kailangan po natin ng 2 groups. 2 groups po. Dito po kayo dito. Okay, so bilangin po natin natin Chiki. Ilan po? Dito kayo humingi. Ito po dito sa likod. Dito para may kasama po. Okay, yan. Stay ka dyan. Okay, kids. Arms forward. Arms forward. Yes, ayan. Dito ka na. Okay, kids. Hawakan na po ang mga tali. Dahil huwag muna po natin hihilan. Okay? Wait for my signal. Okay? Hold muna. Hold muna. Magka-count po ako ng 3 seconds before natin hihilan. Okay? Okay, kids. Ang group po ni Ate Chiki, kayo po ang group A. Ano pong group kayo? A, okay. And group naman ni Ate Iya is kayo po ang group B. Okay. Okay, kids. Are you ready? Okay na? Okay, the game will start. In 3, 2, 1, go! champion. Oh, okay, hands up. Okay, kids, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, and the winner is Group A! Congratulations, kids! Okay na yan, okay na. Okay na yan. That's part of the game. Okay, kids, dito na po tayo. Okay lang yan, huwag yung malungkot. Asa na yung Group B? Dito po tayo. Harapan po tayo. Yan. Okay, kids, Group B, bibigyan po natin sila ng 5 rounds dahil sasabihin natin is very good. Okay? Ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good! Okay, Group A, bibigyan natin si Group B ng 3 rounds kasi very good din naman sila, diba? Then, sasabihin po natin is good job. Okay, ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3, good job! Okay, kids, balik na po tayo dito. Lahat po ng kids. Yan. Okay, then arts, 5 word. Arts, 5 word. Harap po kay Lala Chat. Arts, 5 word, kids. Yan, okay. Nag-enjoy po ba sa ating game? Hi! Nag-enjoy po ba? Hi! Hello! Okay, kids? Shake your hands. I want to shake your hands, then jump! Jump, jump, jump! Okay, very good. Nakikinig po ang lahat. So before natin ibigay ang ating giveaways, meron po tayong final dance. Yung favorite dance po ni Lala Chat na Love is a Treasure. So gagayahin niyo lang po kami, okay? Okay, stand up po kuya. Okay, kids, ready na po ba? Okay, Ate Chiki, music please po. So kids, taas po natin yung mga hands po natin. Dalawa. Yan. And down. Okay, yes, yes, sila dyan. Up. And jump. Side, side, and march. Okay, one more. Yeah, very good. Okay, shake your hands. Shake and wave. Wave. Okay, house and shoulder. Head. And jump. And wave. Okay, big circle. And fish. March. And jump. And wave. Point. Point. Okay, kids. And turn around. Up and march. Clap. Okay, very good. Kids, sasigaw po tayo lahat. Okay, sit down po. Sit down po. Okay, kids, meron po tayo surprise box dito. Mag-open lang po ito pag sumigaw po tayo ng malakas na surprise! Okay, kids, ready? In 3, 2, 1! Ayaw mo ba? Hindi sumigaw. Okay, one more! girls nyo. Yes po, wait lang po. Lahat po ng kids mabibigyan. So, sit down lang po. Sit down lang kuya, sit down po. Okay kids, lahat na po ba meron? Okay kids, itaas niyo po yung mga balloons. Ito. Atiya. Okay kids, sit down po tayo. May ipapagawa po ako sa inyo, okay? Itaas mo yung mga balloons. Kapag sinabi ko pong Kizuna, you will shout hooray. Ano po yung shout natin? Hooray. Okay, trial mo na kids. In 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Okay, so mommies and daddies, dito na po tayo sa gitna para po makakuha ng magandang pictures. Together with Lala Chan and the event team. Okay kids, one more! In 3, 2, 1, Kizuna! Hooray! Okay, tingin sa camera! Ayan, so wala mo na pumaalis. Meron daw pong gusto sabihin si Lala Chan. Okay, excuse me po. Excuse me po. Ano po yung Lala Chan? Ayan, so sabi po ni Lala Chan is very happy daw po kayo kasi nag-join po kayo sa kanyang event today. At sana po nag-enjoy po lahat ng kids natin ng First the Guardians. Ayan, so meron po kung gusto sabihin si Lala Chan. Okay kids, sino po gusto mag-birthday sa Kizuna? Tata kamay! Ayan, so ang daming gusto mag-birthday sa mommies and daddies.